KCET aspirants, so there is a very important update for all the students who are planning to join medical colleges in Karnataka. So here you can see a NEET roll number enrollment link. So just click on this link and you can just log in, and once you log in you have to enroll your NEET roll number in this website. So this is very important if you want to participate in the counseling process. The NEET counseling process in Karnataka will be taken or will be conducted by KEA only. So that is why it is very important. So please, the deadline is not yet given, but finish it as soon as possible. Just take your roll number, and if you are planning to join any of the medical colleges in Karnataka, log in here and then enroll your roll number. Okay, so that's a very important. Please do not miss out. Last time a lot of students did not do this, because of which they were out of the counseling process, and to avoid this situation, please complete the enrollment right now. That's all in this video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel.